the kind of punitive action that Trump took on colleges, on universities, that kind of first he sent out this signal in the first couple of months of his tenure that this is what I'm going to do. He went after Harvard, he went after several universities and, cut the funding, did this. So put everybody on the back foot. So I think there are many companies which might have stepped up and spoken are now terrified कि government contracts बंद हो जाएंगे या कुछ हो जाएगा या फिर they will not get funding for their or their visas to get Indians H1B visas to get the green cards, maybe उसका quota कम हो जाएगा. So ultimately everybody has that. अगर कोई EMI का सोच रहा है तो कोई इसका सोच रहा है. So it actually comes back to that
तो
fear.
यार मेरा सिर्फ एक सवाल. I have just one question, sir. I understand this. But then when you take pot shots at us in India, right? Godi media, Godi industrialist, etc.,
Yeah.
cronyism. We are afraid of doing anything. But we live in a free country called America. Where is that free country, America?
Oh, no,
Of course, it's all hypocrisy.
So then, that is what
It's
I'm saying.
all hypocrisy.
Yeah.
So
Ram.
listen, don't tell me I live in this country. I want my democracy. I want to decide which party I will back, which party I will oppose. I want my government to decide my policies. If I don't like those policies, I'll oppose them. If I like those policies, I'll support them.
Yeah.
Right? That is my choice. Who the hell are you to tell me what to do?
Yeah, the Western media, totally.
That's it.
It's one thing for the American administration to put pressure on India. Countries do that, right? At some point of time, pressure on us. Some point of time, no pressure. Maybe we are at that point which he was mentioning, which is of the Nixon-Kissinger era. Maybe we've gone back to that era. वो pressure हम पर आ रहा है. But look at the way the media is also, the Western media pressure on India is so tremendous. I was just mentioning the other day, just random articles with no information in it, just old information. They're just rerunning all kinds of articles, putting pressure on India, making Pakistan look like this shining diamond as compared to India, which is bizarre.
And the Pakistanis themselves, this guy,
Yeah.
he himself says, we are a dumper truck. Right?
As if
He
when
is
he
saying.
said-
No, and Pakistani saying, हैं? हमारे यहाँ तेल है? Do we have oil?
Gold reserves, rare minerals, सब कुछ है.
People are saying, where?
Yeah.
अच्छा ये जो है ना, this my article in ORF is titled Sheikh Chillinomics, right? This is the standard one that okay, now we have minerals, so by 3 years time we will exploit these minerals. So $2 billion will come from here, 5 billion from there. Then we will use this money to do this. Then we will get $20 billion. Then we will use this money to do this. 20 years from now, we'll become a developed country.
Khayali pulao.
This is.
Remember when SIFC started,
Haan.
Asim Munir said 25 billion from Saudi Arabia, 25 billion from Kuwait, 25 billion from UAE.
And 25 from Qatar. So $100 billion will
$100
come.
billion 3 years ago.
$1 million नहीं आया.
Yeah, Tela, 1 million. Tela नहीं आया.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.